Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Jain and I am Appian Certified Associate Developer. So today I have some simple task for you for your just practice purpose. So let's check out uh, Appian practice task. So first task is you have to play an audio on your interface. This is the first task. And second task is you have to display some auto changing colors, and third is auto enable a button after 50 seconds, and fourth one is multi-text replacement in this text editor plugin. So these are the some tasks that you have to do your own. After this video I will tell you how we can do this for your help. So let's try to find out how we can do this. So this is the first interface that you have to create. I am demonstrating you here. Suppose what you have to do, you have to play any mp3 file here within the interface like this. So this is the first task for you, so you have to do this, okay? And this is the second task where you have to display three colors that will change automatically within some time frame. You can see here. Yeah. Now come to the third task, disable button. So this is the interface where you can see one button. So after clicking on this button will be disabled for next 15 seconds. After 15 seconds this button will be automatically enabled. So I am clicking on this. Now you can see the button is disabled. Now we have to wait for 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds this button automatically will be enabled. So this is the task that you have to do. Okay, let's wait. Yes, here you can see the button is automatically enabled. Now come to the fourth task. This is the task where we have to use a rich text editor. You can use it by installing a plugin, rich text editor plugin. Now what is your task? Your task is here you can see I used a drop down here. So, or I used 5 kind of text: text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, text 5. So for each text one key is associated. So for text 1 key, hash key 1 is associated. For text 2 hash key 2 is associated, like this. So for every text key is associated. Now what you have to do, suppose if you are writing a paragraph in rich text editor, and if you want to replace any particular key with predefined text, then you have to prepare this kind of logic here. So I'm demonstrating you here. Like suppose you have already write this kind of data, hash key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, key 5. Similarly the same I have copied here. So what will happen, after clicking on this update button, automatically all these keys will be replaced by their respective text. So I am clicking on this. Now you can see all keys are replaced by their respective text, and similarly you can see the output also here. So this is your fourth task that you have to create. Now in my next video I will tell you all the solutions that how we can achieve all these tasks. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day.